Hello everybody, today we have a 2018 certified pre-owned Honda CR-V Touring Edition. This vehicle is loaded up, folks, with lots of nice accessories on it. It has a nice wheel package, running boards, body side molding, and wind deflectors. You're also going to have LED headlights on the front of the vehicle. Let's take a look at some of these interior features while we're at it. Okay folks, take a look at the back of this CR-V Touring. You'll notice you have a privacy guard so nobody can see what's in the back of your trunk. You're also going to have a kick to open tailgate, and you also have the height adjustment for the power tailgate as well on the back here. Moving to the back seat area, you do have these nice accessorized accents for the door trim. You're also going to have the leather ivory interior, extremely comfortable. Plenty of legroom and headroom in the back, and you also have all-weather mats as well. Moving to the front, you'll notice you have the illuminated door sill, which is another accessory. You're going to have the power passenger and power driver seat, built-in navigation, a moonroof, Honda sensing, and Bluetooth capabilities with this vehicle, as well as heated seats. All right, everybody, come on down to Delaney Honda, 115 Lenz Rd, and come check out this 2018 certified pre-owned Honda CR-V Touring. Plenty of accessories on it, molten lava color, and it is certified, folks, so come check it out today and come see me trusting when you do. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.